Now, here in California, a person can be charged with a felony if they knowingly infect someone with HIV.
That's right, and CBS 2's Kristine Lazar takes a closer look at the possible legal consequences following Sheen's announcement.
Charlie Sheen may have hid his HIV diagnosis from the public for 4 years, but the actor claimed in his interview with the Today Show this morning that he was always upfront with his sexual partners.
Have you, since the time of your diagnosis, told every one of your sexual partners before you had a sexual encounter that you were HIV positive?
Yes, I have.
No exception.
No exception.
But Sheen's former girlfriend, Bree Olson, told Inside Edition that she didn't find out that Sheen had HIV until a few days ago.
And he put my life in jeopardy, along with hundreds or potentially thousands of other women's lives.
Sheen speculated on the Today Show that he will be the target of lawsuits in light of his startling announcement. But CBS 2 legal analyst Steve Meister says a civil lawsuit against the former highest paid actor on television won't be easy to win.
You'd have to prove liability and you'd have to prove damages. That means he would have had to have knowledge of his own condition and withheld that knowledge from a partner, which he disputes. And then the partner would have to have suffered damages. No one's going to sue for the cost of an AIDS test.
Sheen insists he never knowingly or unknowingly infected anyone with HIV and has practiced safe sex since his 2011 diagnosis. He says he has paid out more than $10 million to keep those he confided in from sharing his medical secret, but he says he won't be paying off anyone anymore.
I released myself from this prison today.
Now, Sheen could also face criminal charges if it's proven that he knowingly infected someone with any STD, including HIV, but legal analysts say that is very tough to prove. On the flip side, Sheen could also go to the police about those people who he says have been extorting him. In the newsroom, I'm Kristine Lazar, CBS 2 News.